In a sunlit apartment, a tabby named Mirth conducts daily field tests to understand human gravity by knocking fragile trinkets off the coffee table. When she pauses mid-tumble, she purrs like a tiny engineer, convinced the clattering aftermath is merely a grand invitation for a human rescue mission. Her favorite warmth strategy is a stealthy claim on the rug heater, where she channels in a Sunbeam diplomat, negotiating cushions and blankets into a perfect thermal accord. The zoomy sprint ends with a triumphant pause-on doorframe pose. Viewers learn to read feline logic in chaos as charm,